Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn about the concat and plus command to add two column data into a single column. So let's get started. Now here is a concat and the plus command. So the plus operator and the concat function can both be used to add the two column data into a one column or the table. So now using the concat, convert input values to string and convert null to the empty string. So this is the example I made it. You selected the column name, the first name and the last name, and then use the concat command, the first name, comma, space, last name, and as a full name. And the similar way you can use the plus command, but no conversion of the null or data type. So if you are using the plus, then it will not convert your data, but if you are using the concat, it will convert your data as well. So this is the syntax: first name plus, and this is the sign for the space, making a space in between the data, the last name, and the output will come for the full name. Let's move it to the SQL Server, and we'll do the practical how we can write it or test the concat command. So let me move it to the SQL Server. So here is my the SQL Server. Let me write the command: select start from employee. This is what the table I'm using. And now let me select just two columns from this table, the first name and the last name. The first name, comma, last name, and then let's use the concat command, concat or concat, and now here is inside the first name, comma, and now here is a chord in between space, comma, the last name, and just put it the comma here actually, so you will not get the error. And now put it the last name, and what's the output? It will be as a table name. So this will be your full name, and let's execute this command. So now here you seen it's the first name, last name, and it added for your both the values from first column to second column, and we have the space in between the first and the second name. Now let's go to the use the plus command. So if I'm running this command, it's giving me the first name and the last name, and now I'm going to use the plus command here. So the first, here let me put it comma, and let me just copy paste it itself. Remove this. It's kind of a plus sign, plus, and then a space, and then plus sign, and your the last name, and make it as a as what's the name for this column? It's the full space name, and let's execute this. So now I'm getting the output. The full name is if first name is added with the last name with the space. If you need something else here, just put the comma and the space, so you can do it. So your the first name, comma, space, and the second name is available in this column. So guys, that's how you can use the concat command in the SQL Server, and the concat and the plus command. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you soon in my next video.